Let's set up this pre-lit Christmas wreath. When you first take it out from the box, it might look a bit flat. That's completely normal. See how squashed it looks? Don't worry, it's just packed that way for safe shipping. This wreath already has 35 warm LED lights woven in. All you need are 3 AA batteries. First, shape the main structure into a perfect round shape. Now, just like an artificial Christmas tree, you need to fluff the branches. Gently pull them out and spread them around the circle until it looks even. Spend a few minutes here. It really makes the wreath look fuller and more natural. And that's it. Once you're happy with the shape, you can hang it on your door, wall, or fireplace. From flat in the box to full and glowing in just a couple of minutes.